So after your lecture, you'll summarize some of the relevant points of the lecture. So today, I will have you guys collaborate on this poster board, and each of you will have a chance to write down your key points and give brief explanations of those points. Since you guys are new to the Cornell Notes method, I will pause for a few moments here and there just to give you guys a chance to catch up. But normally, you would be your lecturer would not give you any breaks for to write down your ideas, because this method is designed to take notes in a short period of time. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, so do any of you guys have any experience metalworking or in the trades?
No, I don't
So,
have any.
so none whatsoever. Okay, so I'll give you a very brief overview of welding. Okay, so basically what we do is we take an electrode, okay, and that electrode is going to conduct electricity to a workpiece. Okay, so the electricity that we're using, it's going to be between 6,000 and 7,000 degrees. So that's far higher than the melting point of any material you're going to be welding on. So it's conducive to melting that material. So what we're going to be doing in the practical section of this course is stick welding. Okay, so that's just another that's a slang term for arc welding. So the stick that we're going to use is actually called an electrode, and what that is a steel rod about 10 or 12 inches long, approximately 1/8 of an inch in diameter, and that rod is coated with a material called flux. Okay, so I'll give you guys a moment to perhaps write your first key point down in the Cornell Notes method. So the basic idea is to touch this electrode to the piece of metal that you'd like to weld. Okay. So you'll touch that electrode to the metal, and you will see and feel the electrical transfer between the electrode and the workpiece. You'll see a flash that looks similar to lightning, and you'll actually feel a very tiny vibration that's transmitted from your workpiece, through your electrode and into your glove. Not literally, but just the actual vibration. So as soon as you touch the electrode to the workpiece, you're going to retract it immediately. So you're only going to touch it for a split second. Okay, you're going to be as brief as possible. You're going to have